Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Perplexity AI account permanently. So let's get straight into it. Now first, I assume that you are logged in into your account. What you need to do next is click on your profile icon here at the bottom left sidebar and then navigate to the all settings, just like that. Now here under the account tab, you will see at the bottom delete account. And next to it on the right side, you will see learn more. So click on that. Now, as you can see here, it will open up your basically this pop-up window. So before we delete account, you need to understand few points. And if you agree with that, just confirm delete that you will delete your account. And just like that, you will basically lost all of your prompts here. And yeah, now you have basically delete your account. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next